Horses out, one slow out, Conquista Royal, Impossible, gets away immediately, moving up, Cool Yellow, and on the outside, Janelle's Episode, Color, My World, joining them now, carry over Diamond Quest, Forever Young comes next, Last Sim running down on the inside, Mind Music, JST, Valentine Rose, second last is Bloodline, and trails the field is Conquista Royal by about 15 lengths of the pace. They swing into the back. Janelle's Episode. She's 2 lengths in front of Impossible. Color, My World is racing in third. Then moving up by the now is Forever Young. And on the outside, carry over. Cool Yellow in the middle. Next in line, Mind Music. Last Sim, Diamond Quest, JST, Bloodline. Valentine Rose and Conquista Royal. Janelle's Episode by only a length and a half. Then a threatening presence now coming from Color, My World. Impossible in third, carry over, Cool Yellow. Down on the inside is Forever Young. As the fields turn for home, these two now collided in front. Moving up, Color, My World, Janelle's Episode. Impossible in third. Color, My World takes the lead. Janelle's Episode, Impossible. Last 50 meters, we have Color, My World, followed by Janelle's Episode, Impossible, JST. Last Sim, Forever Young for your Super 6.
8-11.